Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today is number 10 of the 12 desserts of Christmas. Orangesicle cream cheese cookies. Let's get it done. This is 4 ounces of cream cheese. 1 egg, or you could use an egg substitution. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. Beat these ingredients to combine. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients. This is ½ a cup of sugar-free sweetener, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add 1 3/4 cup of almond flour. And now I'm going to add the last cup by hand. And 2 tablespoons of orange peel. I'm going to oil my stone and my cookie scoop because this mixture is a little bit sticky. Now scoop out your cookie dough, and you can use a cookie sheet with a silicone mat. Now I'm going to use this juice glass and oil it a little bit, and I'm going to press these cookies down to 1/2 of an inch. Now let's bake these at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown and puffy like this. Now I mix some cream cheese with some milk and a little bit of powdered sugar-free sweetener and tinted it just a little bit orange, and I am going to dip these cookies right into that frosting. Here are these creamsicle cream cheese cookies. Aren't they beautiful? That is absolutely amazing. That cream cheese just melts in your mouth. And the orange flavor is absolutely perfect. This is probably the softest cookie that I have made so far. I have decided to sprinkle them with some candied orange peels. Well, thank you for watching the number 10 12 desserts of Christmas. And as always, may God bless you.